Hi everybody, I've got up bright and early this morning, well, early anyway, and I'm going to show you how to make American breakfast pancakes. You can have them with or without bacon, with or without maple syrup, but either way, they're very nice, very tasty, and so easy to do. So watch me cook these and then try them for yourself. Now we need these 7 ingredients that I've assembled here. We'll need 2.5 teaspoons, yes, 2.5 whole teaspoons of baking powder. We need a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of this white sugar, 2 large eggs, 30 grams of butter that's been melted and left to cool, 300 millilitres of whole milk, 225 grams of plain white flour, and of course we need our very important maple syrup. Or bacon if you so wish. Now to be honest folks, this must be one of the easiest recipes you could possibly have. I'm going to put all of the ingredients into this large mixing bowl and mix it all together to make the batter for our pancakes. Mixed up your batter and made it all lovely and gooey like the wallpaper paste. Put it into a jug like this and you'll find it a lot easier to pour into your heavy based frying pan. I'm going to put a tiny little piece of butter in here just to give our pancakes a bit of a start. They shouldn't stick on there anyway really. Bear with me guys, this is a trial one. Now if we wait for that to bubble up in the middle, I haven't made it too big. It's like watching a pancake fry. Let's have a look, shall we? Yeah, not bad. There, that looks really good. I'm going to turn the camera off now and crack on with the rest. So this is how I like my pancakes, guys. Perfectly done, double butter, maple syrup and some lovely crispy bacon. Well, I hope you enjoyed this latest video as much as I'm going to enjoy eating this pancake. Please join me again next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so and leave any comments down below. So I'll see you. Bye. Mmm.